So you open this bad boy up, and right here you're gonna have your harness. Harness. Okay, let's get that up out of the way. You pop open the top, and you're gonna get your valley cover. Your coils, whichever coils you order, if you order coils with it, will come already pre-installed. So here you have your other bits to connect everything else. Your screws, and then right underneath you have your plug wires. Let's go put this on. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and pop the engine cover off. You're gonna remove your stock coil. So for that, you're gonna need a T30. Bust that off. Let's go ahead and do that. Go ahead and get rid of these guys. They're gonna pull that tab out. There we go. Remove your harness, remove your coil. Now you're gonna grab your bag of bits. Mine are different colors because this is my R&D set. We're gonna grab the two longer of the spacers, and you're gonna put the threaded end into the block. So I'll go ahead and you're gonna make that nice and finger tight. Got our plug wires. And let's go ahead and put those in place. Make sure as you put it in, makes a nice little popping sound. As you put the MSD logo towards the back of the car, because then once you put it all on, you'll see. It's gonna make it so much easier. Now we're gonna take our valley cover. The valley cover come with grommets. The grommets are already slit for you, so then you're just going to fit your wire into the holes. Now we're gonna take our coils with the bracket and our bag of bolts. And we're gonna get the two shorter of the bolts. You're gonna get the two spacers that have the tabs on the ends. Those you're gonna put onto the back of your bracket, and they're gonna line up right there onto that bracket. So here, that head right there is either a 5/32, or you could use a T25. So there we go, I got them on. I didn't tighten them down just yet because I want to be able to line them up and make sure that they fit in the bracket perfectly. And then now, I'll give it a tighten. All right. So you're gonna take your two smaller spacers, and these guys, you're gonna line them up with the spacers below. And you're gonna take your longer screws. You're gonna go ahead and drop that in. You're gonna meet up with the spacer below. I'm gonna tighten it down. We're gonna take our plug wires and loop them on. We're gonna take our wiring harness, and you'll see, obviously the longest one will clip into the furthest one. We're gonna take our wiring harness, you can go ahead and plug it in, put your stab down, now you're good to go. There you go. There's your LS7 kit. Peace.